Do you know how crucial networking is for your personal and professional growth? It's not just about making contacts. It's about building relationships that can open doors to new opportunities and experiences. So, how does one go about building a strong network? Begin by identifying your goals. What do you want to achieve through networking? Maybe you're seeking new career opportunities, searching for mentorship, or looking to expand your social circle. Having clear goals will help guide your networking efforts. Next, utilize online platforms. Social media sites like LinkedIn and Twitter, and professional networking sites can be powerful tools for making connections. Craft a compelling profile that showcases your skills and experiences, and don't be shy about engaging in discussions and sharing relevant content. Don't overlook the value of face-to-face interactions. Attending industry events, conferences, and networking mixers can provide valuable opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. Exchange ideas, share your experiences, and start building those relationships. Consider joining professional associations related to your field. These organizations often host networking events and provide resources that can help you grow professionally. Online communities can also be a goldmine for networking. Engage with forums and discussion groups that align with your interests or industry. Ask questions, share your insights, and connect with other members. When you reach out to new contacts, aim to offer value. Building genuine relationships means focusing on how you can help others. Share resources, offer support, and be proactive in lending a hand. After making a connection, don't forget to follow up. Send a personalized message to thank them for their time, and consider setting up a follow-up meeting or call. This can help solidify the relationship and open the door to further discussions. Seek out mentorship from individuals who have achieved success in your field. Mentors can provide invaluable guidance and advice to help you navigate your career path. In all your interactions, strive to be authentic and genuine. Building meaningful relationships requires trust and transparency. Show genuine interest in getting to know others, and always be yourself. Finally, make a point to nurture your network. Invest time and effort into maintaining your relationships. Stay in touch, offer support, and be proactive in seeking out new opportunities for collaboration. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Approach it with a mindset of mutual benefit and reciprocity. By building and nurturing a strong network of connections, you'll not only open up new avenues for growth and success, but also enrich your personal and professional life. So, go forth and network.